Welcome to the SAFElife Hair Processor Instruction Guide. Make sure to wear clean, unused gloves. Sanitize all tools and surfaces before starting the test procedure. Ensure the test kit and collection vials are prepared and easily accessible before starting.
Head hair collection.
Separate one layer of hair and arrange it so that you can get to the root. Carefully snip the hair from the root. Note: remember which end is the root. Using a ruler, snip 1.5 inches of hair from the root. If you're having trouble, try using a ruler to mark a piece of paper at 1.5 inches to use as a snipping guide. Carefully open the sample tube. Place the hair completely inside of the sample tube. You may use tweezers to guide the hair in, but do not let the tweezers touch the liquid solution. Carefully ensure the tube is fully sealed. The lid should be straight and secured to the tube. If you are processing more than one sample at a time, make sure to label each sample tube.
Body hair collection.
Crease a piece of paper and lay it under the arm before collecting any hair. Carefully use the razor to shave some hair off of the test subject. Using tweezers, pull the hair off of both sides of the razor and place it inside of the sample tube. Make sure to stay over the paper. Tap the razor against the paper to collect the leftover hair. Use the folded paper to help guide the rest of the hair into the sample tube. Carefully seal the test tube shut. Make sure it is adequately tightened to avoid spillage, but do not over-tighten. Do not overload the hair processing tube. 30 plus or minus 5 milligrams is the recommended amount of hair.
Test procedure.
Place the sealed tube into one of the tube holders inside of the machine. Close the lid of the processor. You should hear it click shut. Press start. Wait for the processing to finish. It will take approximately 130 seconds. Remove the sample tube from the machine. Place the sample tube on the table and wait 3 minutes. While you wait, go ahead and grab your multi-panel rapid hair test. After waiting 3 minutes, open the lid of the test and carefully pour the liquid sample inside. Close the lid.
Results guide.
A negative result can be read when all control lines and test lines have finished appearing. A preliminary positive result can be determined at 5 minutes. Do not read results after 10 minutes. THC Rapid Test. The sample tube for the THC Rapid Test has a red cap. Be sure to only test the red-capped sample tube with the THC Rapid Test. The hair collection process for THC is the same. The only difference is the test results should not be read before 15 minutes. Once testing is complete, all surfaces should be disinfected. Sanitize all tools and place them into a clean container. Disposable items can be discarded. Note: if a positive result is collected, a laboratory confirmation test might be needed depending on the circumstances.